TK Chang joins me live from New York. He's a partner in the Zhong Lun Law firm. So, e-commerce is booming, as we know. Do you think China is doing better when it comes to securing the rights of customers?
I think China has really made a lot of progress in consumer protection. And, I'm here in New York, and even though we have over 200 years of the trademark law and the sophisticated legal system, I can just go a few blocks down to Canal Street and I can buy a Rolex, fake Rolex and other counterfeit products. So it's a worldwide problem, but China has made a lot of progress since, certainly since when I lived in Beijing in the 1980s.
So
go ahead.
What more do you think needs to be done to enforce and punish counterfeiters, especially those who are trying to cheat the system?
Well, I know that China has passed amendments to the Consumer Rights Protection Law, that's 消费者权益保护法. And under that law, there are many avenues for consumers, including class action lawsuits and lawsuits against websites. So China is trying to improve its laws and enforce its laws.
What resources are available to consumers today, and what recourse, if any, do they have?
Well, consumers in China now are much better informed, and they can, they have a lot more information sources on the internet, and they can see the genuine products as well as the fake products. I mean, in the 1990s, I helped my clients go all across China to confiscate the Beanie Babies, which was something that used to be faked in China. But those things are, from the past. So China is making improvements. The major websites are doing their best. The e-commerce sites are doing their best to try to weed out the counterfeit products. Alibaba, JD.com are number 2 and number 4 in the world in terms of e-commerce. So if they want to spread their market to the rest of the world, they will, I think, improve their compliance with the anti-counterfeit laws.
And would you say over the years that counterfeit goods have gotten easier to spot, or is it getting harder to figure out what's real and what's not real?
I think companies like Chanel and others have worked out various ways to track their genuine products with the internet, and possibly in the future with the blockchain technology. Maybe the problem will be solved once all products can be identified as genuine or fake.
All right, TK Chang in New York, thank you so much for joining us.